chose to bust or possibly confirm is, can you taste food without smelling?
Before we made our hypothesis, we had to research on how our taste buds and our sense of smell work together and how they could affect each other if one was blocked.
After we finished our research, we could start to form our hypothesis. Our hypothesis is that the taste might not be as strong without smell.
According to the University of Connecticut, you can taste food basic flavors such as sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami without your sense of smell, but the full flavor experience, which is a combination of smell and taste, will not be there and is significantly diminished. Our drawing question this quarter was, how can we differentiate between myth and reality?
Smell and taste are located in the orbitofrontal cortex. The orbitofrontal cortex is in the front part of your brain that detects smell and taste.
The receptors are all over your tongue. They help detect the taste of what you're eating. The bitterness is in the back of your mouth. The sweet is in the front, and the sour and salty are on the sides.
The pharynx and the larynx is a muscle in your throat that's connected to your nose and mouth that helps you taste food.
One reason people actually lose their smell a lot is because of COVID-19. We all remember the pandemic, and if you had it, you would know because you could not smell anything.
The reason people could not taste during COVID-19 was because the virus ruined your olfactory senses and the supporting cell.
For this experiment, participants will have their nose closed and see if they can taste their food without smelling it.
Let's come to the experiment.
We picked vanilla and chocolate pudding and lemons and oranges because they have similar texture.
In our experiment, we will be giving our contestants 2 foods of the same texture, and we'll be asking them which flavor it is and what food it is.
Taste the food without smelling.
Oh yeah, I think so.
Could you taste without smelling it?
Yes.
Okay.
Taste the food without smelling.
Yeah, I could taste the food, but it definitely wasn't as I could tell that it wasn't the same.
They could all taste without smell, but most of them said that it tasted a little bit off when they couldn't smell. They could all taste without smelling.
After all research, this myth is busted.